Okay, so good morning, everybody, and welcome to in the first experimental batch of HRSD ServiceNow. This is a techno-functional batch, and I'm Atul Grover, your trainer, your friend, and your colleague here. Before I start the class today, I follow a tradition in my batch, and the tradition is very simple because in Hindu tradition, it is said that whenever we start any new stuff, any new learning, any new thing, anything new in our life, we should pray to God. And this batch is equally experimental for you, experimental for me as well. So let's take 10-20 second pause. To whom you worship, to whom you pray, to whom you believe that he is God, he is the superpower for you. Close your eyes, 10-20 second, pray to God because we are starting a new journey here for the next 30 days or 35 days now. Okay, so pray to God and ask, give us the power, give us the strength, give us the motivation to join this class on time every day to get what I want to tell you. And I'll pray to God, you should take the things which I want to tell you in the same manner, not in any other way. And then we start the class today. Okay. Okay. So now the first topic of our class, of today's class, is what do you mean by the word value? Anybody can say anything. Unmute and give me the reply. What do you mean by the word value?
Atul, value means the benefit we are getting from any service or any kind of product.
Acha. Okay. Anybody else? You should speak. This is our platform, guys. Don't feel shy. Otherwise, I have a technique. I'll take a name and then you have to be speak. Anirudh, what do you mean by the word value? Shruti, what do you mean by the word value?
Value means the benefits that you hold or that you get out of something, the impact.
Okay. Impact, new word. The impact. Okay. Rashmi, what do you mean the word
Uh,
value?
Value means anything you are getting after anything means any services you are getting after spending something on it.
Spending something on it. Okay, good. Aparna, what do you mean by the word value? Tell me. This is my way of class, so don't shy. Chaitanya, what is the meaning of
Uh,
the value for you?
Importance of something or something precious.
Importance or something usefulness of something, gaining knowledge according to the subject.
Okay, depend on the
It means
subject.
value, value and
Value. Okay, Gaurav, what is the meaning of the value? Hima Bindu, what is the meaning of the value for you?
Is the value means giving the worth of what we are getting the worth.
Getting the worth. Very nice. Okay. Just a request, the people who join with these IDs, please rename it to your name quickly. Okay. You go to your profile and rename it. Okay. Nanda, what is the value for you?
Hi Atul, hi all. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, value is mean for me is like services which whatever they have mentioned in their terms and condition, it useful for me as a customer.
Chalo, good. Enough definitions now. So then the cross question, not cross question, follow up question. You
Okay.
say in terms and conditions, right?
Yes.
Our mothers are doing a lot of work for us, but there's no terms and condition.
No, that is
That
a
is not.
catchy question. That is a
This is
different thing of value.
no. See, I say that I need the answer in the context of the customer only.
Yes, correct.
Then. So this is what the first thing you and me and everybody has to be learned. We as a business analyst, we as the business process consultant, or we as a consultant, we have to be asked the first question, Atul, or might be to someone, in which context you are asking this question. Shruti says something has an impact. Understand. Bhavna says something you are be worth it. But none. See. Don't take me wrong. It is just a way to formalize the things. Nanda says something from the customer perspective. Might be she has a thought from the customer perspective. Hima Bindu says worth. Everybody's answer is right. But the point is that something is still missing here.
Like Atul, we can answer this question in two ways. Like we can answer in general form, like the result we are getting, but in the field of CSC or in the service now, we can say in the field that what value we are storing in that.
नहीं वो अलग value है. That is a different value. The first answer is the right one. Okay, now let me put the another question on this particular part. After a long time wait, I know few people are here, 2 or 3 people are here who wait at least for the 3 months for batch to be started. Why? Because, and many of you immediately I put the message on the WhatsApp, immediately you guys start pinging me, Atul, I want to be joined, I want to be joined. Why? This is what the value mean for you. That if I join this batch, I will get some knowledge. That knowledge will help me to get some job or to change my job or to get more experience in my job. Is there any terms and condition? Definitely yes. Nanda, you are right. There is a terms and condition. 2 days absent, kicked out from the batch. Unnecessary talks, kicked out from the batch. Good morning, good evening messages, kicked out from the batch. Spamming the group, kicked out from the batch. There are terms and condition. But value you want to be derived from here, this group. You want to be learn service now. You want to be learn HRSD on this particular part. Okay, so now what is the official meaning of value? And believe me, don't take these screenshots, guys. These all are available from internet. Value means the purpose of an operation is to create value for the stakeholder. It means the pre-received benefits, usefulness, and importance of something. How many of you are staying out of your hometown? Might be for job, might be for studies. Okay. Yes, Suhail. You have a question or you giving me answer of my question?
I'm giving answer to your question.
Okay. For that, you can use this React option, not that
Yeah.
hand raise. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Anybody else who are staying out of from your family now? Your mother, father, from your parents, for any purpose, for job, for work, for office, for schooling, for college.
2.3, 2.5 పెట్టినా 3 పెట్టినా you're trying one more thing.
Okay, so now why put I this question? Go back in the days when you are studying and you are out of your hometown, possibly after your +2 or after your graduation, you opt some other college which is good in other cities. When you come back to your home over the weekend or might be in the holidays, what you assume while coming it? that I will go and I will enjoy the food prepared by my mother. This is what your perceived benefit. I will not do anything in the home now. I'll just go and take rest. That is what is your usefulness. And I will enjoy the time with my family. That is importance of something. This is what the value here. So the thing is that anything might be you are getting via paid or unpaid that give you some perceived benefits. It has some usefulness and it holds some importance in your life. That is a value. How many of you are still having, might be a greeting card, might be a mobile phone, might be a headphone, might be a notebook, might be a diary given by your loved one 5-10 years back, and that product, that item, that is still not in a good use as of now, but you're still holding it. I hold a lot of things in my cupboard. Why? Because it holds some importance of something. Might be it's not useful. I remember that I purchased my new phone in 2009 when I completed my training in Accenture. That was a keyboard phone, and that was the first touch phone which I buy, and that worked with some pencils. It has no use as of now, but still I hold it. Reason? Because it holds some importance for me. It is a kind of a memory for me. I bought that phone from my first salary, and that is the importance for me. So one thing which is important for us to be understand that if you are providing any services to your customer, the first question should be the value. What value my customer will get from this particular change, from this particular requirement, from this particular development. Only then you can understand the system completely. Okay, so it says in regard something held a deserve. Someone says the right word. Consider someone or something to be get beneficial. I will speak for 30 hours in this batch, and you will get the 30-hour knowledge from me. What is to be important or beneficial? If I say, guys, sorry, this batch is a paid one, everybody has to pay the fees. A lot of people will drop out because they want to get benefited, but it has some terms and conditions. I put this question to support your answer, Nanda, that yes, terms and conditions are also equally important here. So value is there as well. Go ahead, Nanda.
No, sorry, by mistakenly I click on raise
Okay.
hand.
No,
I need
no
to come
problem.
up. Yeah.
That's fine. No problem. That's fine. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the word? Someone, so Bhavna, you started this answer, right? Atul, some services we are getting. Then Shruti also says some services we are getting. Nanda says terms and condition in the services. What do you mean by the word service now? So not service now, sorry. What do you mean the word service? Anita, what your answer on this? What is service for you? You are joining my batch second time. I know. What is service for you? Arafat, what do you mean by the word service?
Yeah, service means providing the service to, whatever the task or work is giving to us, the company or the customer is giving to us, we are completing it in time.
Is a service. Okay, good. Babajan, what do you mean the word service?
It is it is something that can help someone with something.
Something which can help someone with something. Okay. And what is the meaning of the something here?
Maybe something can be, uh, as we can see an example. You're giving uh, you're giving the class to us today, so that is one kind of service.
Okay. Good. Thanks for and thanks for the clarification on this particular part. But something. Okay, we'll see this word as well. Okay, good. Chaitanya, what does the service mean for you?
Yeah, it's an activity.
It's an activity. It's a Chaitanya Reddy or Chaitanya Seelam?
Chaitanya Reddy.
Chaitanya Reddy. Okay, okay, okay. Why you speak? Are you joined from the two phone, two IDs?
No, I'm only one lady.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
Reddy
okay.
and some other Chaitanya will be some other. I think
Yes, yes, yes. That is Chaitanya Seelam. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay. Larry, what do you mean by the word service? Khalida, welcome back. What do you mean by the word service? मत बोलो फंसोगे बाद में. Suhail, what is the meaning of service for you?
For me, providing assistance according to the needs.
Providing assistance according to the need. Okay, good. Anybody else want to answer service here?
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
It's a act of helpful activity which has a meaning and a it can be a task actually.
Acha, ruko. So you say just wait Nanda 1 minute. So Harshal, you say it's act of helping someone.
Helpful
Right?
activity, yeah.
Helpful activity. Okay. Nanda, just give me a minute here. So these attacks, terrorists are giving the services to their boss, but that's not helpful. Then your kid destroy or crash your laptop while playing, or you're playing with him as a service, but he crash your laptop. Then so
crashing laptop means I didn't get that actually. Means what exactly you want?
I want to be put the question for the word helpful here. Anish, just a minute. What is the purpose of putting the word helpful here?
Helpful, it will minimize their work actually to get something done easily.
No, yeah, something done means then it's come to the question how it can be done. Automation, everything will be there. That is something different.
Yeah,
okay.
Can you say?
Just 1 minute. Harshal, that's fine. Yes, go ahead, please. It's Chaitanya Nanda. Chaitanya, go ahead.
To deliver any solution according to a problem.
To deliver any solution according to a problem. Your mother is giving you a head massage because she loves to do so that you can sleep well. But you don't have any problem in your head. Then it's not a service. Okay. Nanda, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, committed work.
Committed to work. Okay. Miraman, I'm not interested to be teach this class, guys. Okay, done. Or I'm teaching because I need something else in the written. Are you sure it's committed to work? Mothers are doing self-services, selfless services. Is only their responsibility to hold the house and run it smoothly? Anish, go ahead.
It's like fulfilling the request or demand with delivering the value and benefit to the requester.
अच्छा, delivering the value and the benefit. You added one more term, benefit. अच्छा, value और benefit में क्या difference है फिर?
a benefit value is like in the terms of outcome.
Okay.
The
The benefit.
requester the requester achieves gets,
ठीक है. And benefit.
benefits is that satisfaction in terms of satisfaction or expectation match.
So, acha, if I give this training, will I get value or the benefit?
I believe both. It will be both.
No, believe me. You are a consultant here. Don't be in the gray area, either black, either white.
Yeah, definitely, yes. Because yeah, certainly. In
No.
terms of like knowledge I would be getting, and expectation in terms of
Okay.
like my timeline and the other non-functional things that I would be getting through this time bound. Yeah. So
No, Anish. Try to be simplify the definitions. If you add more words, not only for Anish, for you, including myself as well, if you add more words in your definition, you're making sometimes it's very complicated. I'll give one example.
Okay.
I was appeared for an interview. It's a brand actually for me. It's a brand company, and that person was like a pre-sales head of that particular region. That for the India region, he was the person. He opened the interview and say, okay, give me an introduction. I introduce myself and everything. Then he asked the first question. Atul, how you define your job to your wife? Because in introduction, I said that my wife is a homemaker and she take care of the kid. She's not from the technical background and she know only that yes, service or something, but nothing much. Then he asked me a question that how you define your job to your wife or your kid. And I was the same situation what you did, Anish. I added a lot of words which make the definition of my work is so complicated. So this is the another learning we have to be take, that when we as a consultant, we as a business analyst speak, we have to be follow the clear instructions, clear words. Don't try to make it complicated. Every person is not that much technical like we have in ServiceNow or any other world. Okay. Also in this training, if you follow this funda, you will be always be fine. Whenever I ask any definition, when I ever ask any question, try to be go on the layman's side, not on Google or standard definition site. That I know, that everybody know. But purpose is to be get easy understanding on this particular part. Okay. Anish, you can lower your head, this thing, hand down. So service means enabling the co-creation by facilitating the outcome. Now again, what is co-creation and why it is co-creation? रश्मि, क्या सोचते हो आप इसके बारे में? What is the co-creation?
Co-creation means where both the means I can tell in the IT services, both the requester and fulfiller work together.
Fulfiller and requester work together. अच्छा जी. Okay. Anybody else? Co-creation.
Yeah, Atul.
Good.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes,
a group
go
of people creating work together to improve a product or service according to a customer.
According to a customer. Yeah, why you guys going for the customer side only?
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening you, Chaitanya. I'm listening you.
Yeah, it's a group, it's a team of work to create improve product service like product or service according to its customer.
According to its customer. अच्छा, ठीक है. चलो, good.
Atul, we are like the provider and the consumer, they are working together to create together to work to create value for it.
Acha, and what's your good name?
Shraddha.
Shraddha. Okay, Shraddha, just rename it to your name because I am getting the ID here. So try to be renamed in the Skype. Okay, good. So point is clear. Co-creation means when two parties work together. One is can be the requester and one who's looking for the benefit. Okay. So it is a means of enabling value co-creation by facilitating the outcome that customer want to be achieved. If I am giving this training as a service, what is the co-creation here? What is my benefit?
Like Atul, from our feedback, you can do yourself like better. Like next time you can improve it based on our feedback.
I don't need your feedback. No, I'm a trainer. Why should I listen to your feedback? Now.
So that maximum people benefit from the training and it helps them to get improve their future with ServiceNow.
Okay. Yes, Bhavna. Just 1 minute, Bhavna. Question still open to you. I don't want your feedback or anybody's feedback. Then.
Like in this co-creation means when two parties collaborate together and create a final product. Like in this session, we can, if someone is having some idea or some knowledge, then with that benefit we can together do something, like we can create a final product for that.
Okay, good. Yes, anybody else want to be answer this? Sorry, what we're discussing actually? What not to discuss co-creation? Sorry. Yes, co-creation for this thing. So agree this particular part that co-creation means if this training go well, one, you are getting benefited, and second, you will put my name in your friend circle. You will put my name might be in interviews as well. And that will create a value for me and people can revert back to me for the more trainings. This is what the co-creation here. This is what the co-creation of value here. I'm building my value as well and I'm building value for you as well. And might be if I say you did very well in this training, I can put your name in the references as well. Guys, this person looking for a job and very good person, you can hire him. That is what the co-creation of the value. Now the terms still pending. Without customer have to manage specific cost and risk. इसका क्या मतलब है फिर? Who is the customer here? Who is the customer here? You guys are the customer for me, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes,
Practically
sir.
yes.
Yes.
Practically
Yes,
yes,
sir.
right? Customer.
Yeah.
This line says. This sorry, just go on the mute. This line says, without the customer having to manage specific cost and the risk. Why the question come for the risk and the cost? Let me give you example. Let's say this group is very good group. Everybody travel to a one location, or let's say not take a normal example. Shruti and his husband plan to go for a dinner. Okay, it is their anniversary, so they plan. Okay, because I know his husband as well. He was my previous student in batch 2. Okay, so they plan a dinner together because it's our anniversary, and they go to a restaurant, 5-star restaurant kind of things. They went, they order the food. The food cost is little expensive, or I can say, which is not equal to the market rates, little bit expensive. Definitely 5-star is having a much, like if you go in the Taj hotel, the tea is only 500 rupees. और ये example मैं पिछले 5-10 साल से सुना, तो it will be increased now. Okay. Now the question come, they're happy to pay that money. They enjoy their dinner. For the 2-person, the bill was approximately 3,000 rupees, including a main course, little bit, and dessert and starter, which is too expensive if you compare with the normal one. Now the question come, number one, they get the value because they want to enjoy their special day in a special manner, and they pick up a special place. They got the value. 3,000 rupees is worth it to got this value. Okay. But did they bother that how much this dessert cost to the restaurant owner? Might be if they go in the normal market, they can get this dessert only for 100 rupees. And here they are paying 400 rupees for that dessert. Now, is it matter to them or not? Shruti, we'll start from you. Is this matter to you that how much this cost to the restaurant owner? Or you will say, no, Atul, we want to enjoy our special day and we are happy to pay.
Yeah, it's one it's one day and it's a special day, so I wouldn't bother much, I think. Yeah.
Correct. What do you think, Zainab? Is Shruti right, or they should go into some lower cost restaurant to enjoy that day? Because they think it's not worth it to spend 3,000 rupees. Go ahead.
Yeah, I feel same. Even it is like occasionally we go, right? We can pay in that such scenario.
अच्छा, चलो ये तो occasionally की बात हो गई. Now let me change my example. ठीक है? How many of you bother and be practical that today this batch is going to be start and Atul will sleep very well in the night? How many of you actually bother on this? Nobody bother. True? Or how many of you bother that Atul had a good dinner in the night and he should be well and get up on the time so that he can start the batch on time? Nobody bother. Exactly right. Neither I bother that Shruti or Zainab or Rashmi or Hima or Shraddha or Ananda or Bhavna have a good sleep or have a good dinner in the last night. And this is what this point come. You as a customer did not bother how much it costs to me. How much this training costs to me, how much per hour which I speak is cost to me. The only thing is that I said, okay, guys, I'm starting a batch. The fees is this. That's all. Is it high amount for me? It's a low amount for me. Doesn't bother to anybody. And no risk as well. The only point for every participant here is only one. That class should be happen at 5 GMT and should be closed at 6 GMT. That's all. Or you are interested to have a 20-30 minutes gossip session in between. I said, okay, guys, let's start gossips. How the Republic Day yesterday? How's the weather in Madrid, Ashish? How's in Punjab or Chandigarh or in south part of India? Nobody interested in this. So means when we are enabling the co-creation of the value by facilitating the outcome you want to be achieved. What outcome you want? You want to learn ServiceNow HRSD. That is the only outcome is here. Without you guys to manage about the cost. Yeah, Atul, I did not tell this thing, but I'm sure that if Shilpi is there and Nayan also knows Shruti, that my second batch when I started, that was cost only and only rupees 6,000 per person. And I teach more than 65 hours in that batch. Did anybody bother about the cost? Nobody bother about the cost. Risk. What the risk means here? Shruti and Narayan went to the restaurant. If something happened wrong in restaurant, might be some fire, might be some waiter did not well and have some health problem that time. Are they bother as a customer? No. They only bother that what they order, they should get it and should be good to enjoy. Clear the meaning of service in the so what this mean in the industry that if we are providing the services to our customer is not bothered about the cost or the risk. Customer is bothered about the outcome what they want to be achieved. Someone said right that we make together a product. Definitely we make product together, but customer is not worried about the specific cost. How much it's costing for a senior developer, how much costing for the this thing. If they think it's in the budget, they go. If they think it's not in the budget, they will not go. Might be Shruti and Narayan go to a 7-star hotel as well. But I can't go. Might be I can't afford it. Right? Clear everybody up to this point? Any doubt, question, clarification? Good. Now let's come to the next point. Okay. See, one more thing. If you watch my previous batches, please don't compare. This batch, I changed the structure as a little bit. So few of the basic concepts which I teach in my previous batches, I'm not teaching here. Okay, so don't compare. Atul, you teach in that batch this concept as a basic, this concept as a basic. I assume that everybody who are here now have a good knowledge about the basic concepts like cloud computing, SaaS, PaaS, and everything. Okay. Now let's come to the next question. How many of you use Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access kind of tools? How many of you use? Okay. Agree, Babajan, you use. Anybody else? Nanda. Don't put this hands up. You can use a react option here, guys. That'll be more better. Okay. What are these things? Excel, PowerPoint, or Word? What are these things? Anybody can give me answer.
SaaS product.
Product. Which product?
SaaS. Software as a
SaaS
service.
product. And who said the SaaS product? Sorry, I did not get the your name on the screen. It's Nanda, right?
Nanda.
Okay, Nanda. You are always adding something extra for me to be justified. Okay. SaaS product. And what is the meaning of product for you then? What is the meaning of the product? Nanda, question to you now. Again, what do you mean by the word product?
Now it's confusing to me.
See, you only said that SaaS product. I said,
Yes.
okay, something product is coming.
It's type of product, yeah.
And then what is product? Sometimes fancy words kill us. Okay. I'm not sure that are you married or you're a bachelor, but if you have nephews or niece in your family, and if you need to tell them that what is Excel, how you will explain? If you say it's a SaaS product, they will say Masi is not good, so technical. I understand. I did not understand anything, Masi. Anybody else? What is these things? What do you mean with the word product?
So product is something that we something which is satisfying our need or fulfilling our want. And SaaS is software as a service. So
अरे नहीं चाहिए मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विस, मुझे पता है, मुझे तो प्रोडक्ट का मीनिंग बताओ. आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. सैस तो नंदा ने डाला, वो अब फंस गई बेचारी उसमें. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट?
It is
Anything.
Wait. Rashmi, go ahead, please. And Anish and Gaurav, can you load on your hand actually, so that I can see the name?
I'm
Go ahead,
trying
Rashmi.
at my end, but I'm not able to do so because
Even I am trying to be close, but not able to do. Okay, no problem. Go ahead, Rashmi.
Anything which is consumable or which is useful, which we are going to utilize.
Useful. Acha.
Utilize in something.
Chalo.
Yeah.
Is TikTok is a useful?
No.
Then?
But for some people it is.
Now you come on the
Not
right.
for everyone. Not for
everybody.
The one, yeah.
Instagram, same thing.
Same thing, yeah. Same.
If you start watching reels, you spend hours. But if you start watching something good, you get good things as well. Achha. Anybody else? What do you mean by the word product? Sorry, who was there? I guess Sohail, someone was in the background. Okay.
So, yeah, Atul, product means according to me, fulfilling the needs according to the requirement.
Achha, fulfilling the needs according to the requirement. Okay, Chaitanya, go ahead.
Yeah, to meet a need or solve a problem.
Solve a problem. Why you guys are making so complicated definitions here?
Sir, it
good, please.
It can be any, we can store any information. For example, MS Excel, we can store monthly expenses.
Okay.
Storage.
Now you come on the point. And what's your good name? Sorry, it's showing me the ID only.
Himaja, sir.
Himas. Okay, Himaja. Okay, good. To storing the monthly expenses, that is the good point which I was looking for. Good. So if I can say, product is something, a configuration of an organization resources designed to offer a value to the consumer. MS Excel might be we use just for the day, sometime in a day, or might be once in a week or the month kind of things. But you know that Satyam, the company, they maintain their Excel balance sheet in the Excel only. That is so powerful. So what is the meaning of the product means? Some can be tangible, can be intangible, which help you to solve your problem or to give you some value. That is a product. Everybody has an iron at home, right? That is a tangible product. But what value it give? It give your clothes a good format. Crease, proper crease. Looks good when you wear that shirt or trouser you wear. It's look good. So now what is ServiceNow?
It's an intangible.
हाँ वो तो ठीक है, but है क्या ServiceNow?
Without touching, it's an automation tool.
Who is speaking? Sorry.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Chaitanya Silam, right? Or Reddy?
It's a platform. A private software service by which we can build various applications to automate the business process.
Achha, only automate.
Yeah, mainly the solution is used for the automate only, no? Many of the modules.
Okay.
Without human interface.
Anybody else?
Yeah, Atul. ServiceNow is a cloud-based technology platform. It consists of database. It is a developing platform and designed to deliver IT services.
And why you say it's a technology platform?
Because it provides like a virtual agent to develop apps.
Acha, chalo. Now I will say. So HRSD is a technology or function? HR is a technology function. बताइए चैतन्य. HR
It's
is
a
a technology function.
functionality.
Function mainly, not functionality. It's a function. So Chaitanya, according to you, that ServiceNow is the technology platform, but HR is a function. How they link with each other? Okay. So intention is that to be asked this question that if you use anything which can help you to provide the value is a product for me. Even if you use to make the roti chapati, if you use that chakna and belna, that is also product which help me to put the flour on that and then make a round shaped chapati. As exception, round shape exception for if anybody new here in this adult world kind of things or in the PG kind of things, because even I still not make the chapati round, so that's the exception for everybody. Okay, in the same manner, ServiceNow is also a tool, but I will not say it is a tool. I will say it is a platform. Why platform? Because okay, I'll put one more question. Everybody is using a Gmail, right? Is it a platform? Is it a tool? Gmail is a platform or a tool or a product?
It's a platform.
Product.
हाँ बताओ किसने बोला प्लेटफॉर्म किसने बोला प्रोडक्ट? Anybody else?
It's a platform as a service.
Platform as a service. एक और वर्ड आ गया देखो. Okay, ठीक है. Anybody else? Shruti, Jainab, Shraddha, Rashmi, Hima, Anita. What do you
I
think?
think it's a platform for exchanging
I think
emails.
it is a platform. अच्छा. Or anybody else?
It's a both product and service.
सर्विस तो मैंने कहा ही नहीं. मैंने तो प्रोडक्ट, प्लेटफॉर्म और टूल बोला है.
It's a product.
It's a product. अच्छा, तो Gmail एक प्रोडक्ट है. Gmail मतलब गूगल एक प्रोडक्ट है. Gmail एक प्रोडक्ट है.
गूगल प्लेटफॉर्म है और जीमेल प्रोडक्ट.
गूगल प्लेटफॉर्म है और जीमेल प्रोडक्ट. बट गूगल तो कंपनी है और गूगल तो सर्च इंजन है, तो प्लेटफॉर्म कैसे हो गया?
गूगल का प्रोडक्ट है जीमेल.
हाँ, नाउ यू सेड द राइट थिंग. गूगल का प्रोडक्ट है जीमेल. गुड. सो नाउ आई कैन से दैट जीमेल इज अ product for me which I'm using it. Are you guys able to make a change in the Gmail? Little bit interface change हो गया, layouts change हो गए, but can you do the coding in the Gmail?
No.
नहीं. तो ये क्या हो गया? Now it's become a platform which you can use as it is. Why? Because you have no authorization to make a changes in this particular product at this platform. iOS and Android. These are two platform or products. Android and iOS क्या है? Platform है, product है?
Product.
Mainly let's consider as a platform, because by using this platform you are able to make your own applications, right? WhatsApp available on the Android as well, available on the iOS as well. What this mean? That they develop the WhatsApp, they build the WhatsApp, they create the WhatsApp by using the platform of the Android or the iOS. So ServiceNow इस category में भी है. You can use ServiceNow as it is. You can build your own application that is called the custom application by using the ServiceNow platform. So if someone asks you that what is ServiceNow, actually it is a APaaS, application platform as a service. Application means you can use this platform, you can use this tool as it is, like a Gmail. And via platform, you can build your applications, you can do your customizations, you can build your apps on the basis of the or by using this platform and build something new on the top of that. So it become a platform as a service. Buy karo, use karo, buy karo, use karo. Bas yahi as a service काम चल रहा है. Not because you're not bothering that where are the data centers of ServiceNow. You're not bothering how the backup is be working. You're bothering that my backup should be done. That's all. WhatsApp has a functionality to take the backup of chats regularly. Are you bothered that who is taking the backup? No, we are just scheduling the backup in the midnight or might be in the morning. If your phone is connected with the Wi-Fi, the backup done automatically and you just get a pop-up message. Backup done successfully. So in tomorrow's class, we are going to be deep dive in the ServiceNow ecosystem. And it's not only a technological tool now, much bigger. So tomorrow's session will be completely on the ServiceNow, and then on Wednesday, we'll moving to the HRSD part. Doubt, question, clarification. Anybody? Good. Okay, so let me stop the recording here and we'll take a quick attendance.